Well, today's standout was the software firm WiseTech Global, up 33%, after announcing that profit increased 17%. And CSL surged above $300 and was responsible for most of today's rise in the All Ordinaries Index, after also reporting a 17% increase in profit. Corporate Travel, Virtus Health and Domino's Pizza all did better than expected with their profits as well. But it wasn't all cheesy crust today. The Reject Shop was rejected, even though it went from a loss to a profit. Resolute Mining was a bit less resolute after the government of Mali collapsed, and that's where its mine is. Treasury Wine Estates fell again because of the Chinese wine anti-dumping action, and Nearmap's profit wasn't nearly good enough. The American S&P 500 index did hit a new record high last night, exactly 6 months to the day after the previous peak. And just a quick reminder that this coincides with the deepest depression since the Great One. Here's a few of the downturns in terms of job losses in the United States, including this one and the Great Depression. And there are two reasons investors are unconcerned about all this. First, the Federal Reserve is behaving very differently this time. In the 1930s, it tightened monetary policy. This time, rates were cut to near zero and smoke is issuing from the money printing machine. And secondly, the tech stocks are flying, unaffected by the actual economy. This graph shows the difference between the hot five, that is Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Google and Microsoft, and the other 495 in the S&P 500, which are still below their collective peak. The Australian dollar is holding at 72.5 US cents, and this week's jump in the exchange rate is due to another fall in the US dollar. And the market thinks that the Fed will have to do more now to boost the US economy. And the iron ore prices hit a new record high at 122 US dollars a tonne because of booming steel production in China, where the People's Bank of China, their central bank, has apparently done enough. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there, and don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.